What is going on, guys? So we got a quick update video on the car. So pretty much what today is today, well, one, I was gonna go for a quick drive, but as I'm gonna say is the car ain't making no boost. Yeah, I mean, it'll read boost.
What did he say?
I just think that there's like a pinhole or a broken coupler somewhere as I was tuning on with the new injectors and stuff. So yeah, quite unfortunate. But I got some cool turbo noises and I got my new camera, so you know, can't complain too much at all. Next thing is the wheels. I got them redone. If you follow my Instagram, which I'll link up here somewhere, and if you're following that, then you will know that one, we're doing a turbo giveaway at 1,000 subs, and two, the new wheel color. So if you're following that, you would have already seen it and known about the giveaway. So if you're not, sub to the YouTube and then sub to Instagram, which I'll put up here. All right, new wheels. They're not new, but repainted. Yeah, they look beautiful. So I just think it ties the car together a lot more. The flow of the car is better, you know. The chrome was good, but I felt like the chrome broke up the car just a little too much. You know what I'm saying? It was a little, crack that in. It was a little too broken up for me. And there was too much happening with like the contrast and everything like that. So yeah, that's pretty much the main thing, is that the car was too broken up. It was too loud. It was too much going on. And I just think this looks a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more put together, in my opinion. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Especially with the Brembos in the front. Oh man, that's so beautiful.
No matter where you find yourself,
to me.
no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life.
I know on Instagram a lot of people were like, what the fuck are you doing? The triple chromes. I get it, you know, triple chromes is in right now. But a clean flaked gray, like, you can't beat that color. And the paint's a little dirty, you know, but you just can't beat that at all. It just looks so good. It looks so good. I mean, come on. I need tint, but yeah. What do you guys think of the wheels? You know, pretty beautiful, pretty beautiful. I got some parts coming in, you know. I'm getting rid of this Bucky spoiler or front lip, and I'm going with the 20, I don't know, I think it's 2016 or 2015 to 2018 Focus ST cup spoilers that go in the front, and then I'm gonna make a splitter and attach it to the actual car, because I mean this bumper tab is even broken, so I got to make a clip or something, but it's terrible. It's so bad. So yeah, this thing just falls apart and it pops out every 5 seconds. Trying to clean up a old track car is just never fun. There's just so many issues with clips and tabs and stuff that's broken. Yeah, and broken being no boost. So I got to figure out what that is. If you stick around, I got an Insta360, you know, for Christmas. So I got a boom arm and everything. That's coming in the mail from Ghost Mount, so we can get some nice shots, but I don't have that in yet. What I ended up doing was putting it up there, and honestly it's not bad. It's better than having this damn camera that I'm using right now hang from my face and rest on the bridge of my nose, because I couldn't see anything. Everyone's telling me to floor it and all that other stuff. I can't see anything. I don't know how people do it. It's insane to me. Good for them, better drivers. But yeah, I just wasn't having it. So the Insta360 made it so much easier, and I could change the angle and stuff like that of everything. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. Just kind of like a wheel review and an update. You know, I'm on a base map for the injectors and everything like that, but the wheels look beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And then I got some cosmetic stuff coming in the mail as well, just to kind of clean up the car. And also I did a poll on my Instagram. What color should we make everything? Strut bar, front bar, brakes. People said to keep the blue, do the blue brakes, match it in the rear, and then the same color that these wheels are, make the massive strut bar and the front TB bar. But yeah, you can go to my Instagram and vote for that. So, and if you guys stayed this long, you guys can comment. But we're getting rid of these Recaros. They are used, but I got a pair of pole position Recaros. I don't know how I'm gonna fit them in this car. I've always wanted them in this car, but I have them coming. So they're all black leather. They're used from a verified seller, but these Recaros are going to be gone. So for now, the pole positions, I'm gonna try to make them work. I got them for a good deal, quote unquote. I'm not gonna say how much I paid for them because, yeah, but yeah, those seats are gonna be gone for now. But the pole positions are gonna be awesome. So if you stay this long, you know. Follow my Instagram, you'll also know. But yeah, it's pretty sick. Well, all right, guys, I'm gonna jump into some of the footage. I'm just gonna cut it up a bunch, just because I wasn't making pretty much any boost. There was no real poles, but cut it up so the turbo, you guys can hear some nice turbo noises, flutter, exhaust sounds. And let me know about the angles and stuff like that from in the car, what you guys like. That's pretty much it. Quick video, quick update video, because again, car parts take forever. Those from cup spoilers is like 2 to 4 weeks shipping, and everything else is 4 weeks out as well that I've ordered. So I'm kind of just sitting. But yeah, the next video probably won't be anything crazy, probably just fixing this car again because it's broken. It's just a boost leak, but you know, broken. Other than that, don't forget to sub. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels. All right, jumping into some driving. feels a little a little laggy up top. It feels good from like 3 to like 4,500, and then once 5,500 comes on, it just kind of feels like it drops off a little bit. I don't know if I need bigger turbo. I mean, the turbo's not super big. Like I said, it's a G25 550, but it just feels a little like it's just gone up top. Super punchy in the low end range, which is expected, but man, the drop off at like 6,000 RPMs, kind of insane, and I don't know if I like that, but